Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy to Learn. Today we will continue our active passive study. So now we have completed our present and past and future tenses, how to convert the active voice of present, past and future tenses into the passive voice. Now today we will study what are imperative sentences and how to convert the active voice of imperative sentences into the passive voice. So imperative sentences are sentences which give all order or advice or request. There are three types. Okay, if a sentence is giving order, then it is an imperative sentence, or if it is giving advice, then it is an imperative sentence, and when it is giving request, then it is also an imperative sentence. So this is order. Let us take an example. Open the door. Like somebody is saying दरवाजा खोलो, वो ऑर्डर दे रहा है, वो किसी को ऑर्डर दे रहा है. तो here a person is giving order to another person. So it is the imperative sentence of order. Let us see advice. You should take medicine regularly. कोई कह रहा है किसी को कि तुम्हें मेडिसिन रेगुलरली लेना चाहिए, एडवाइस दे रहा है, तो ये वो एडवाइस का इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस हो गया. अब रिक्वेस्ट, तो व्हाट इज रिक्वेस्ट? प्लीज गिव मी अ पेन. कोई कह रहा है मुझे पेन दे दो, प्लीज मुझे पेन दे दो, तो रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा है, तो ये रिक्वेस्ट का इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस हो गया. नाउ वी विल स्टडी how to change the active voice of these sentences into the passive voice. Now we will see order, imperative sentences of order, means how to change the advice I have written. Active. How to change the active voice of a imperative sentence in which order is showing into the passive voice. The format of active voice sentence is that first verb comes, then object comes. Let's take an example. This is the active voice of order. Close the door. Close is an object. Close is the verb. Close is the verb and the door is the object. Okay, so this is the format of active voice. When we will convert this into passive voice, in this type of sentence we write let. In which order is showing, we have to write let. This is compulsory in this type of sentences. Let, then whatever the object is there, we have to write the object, and then this is the sentence in which we doesn't write by, we write be. Then verb third form is compulsory in all the passive sentences. So close the door, this is the verb, this is the object. When we will convert this into passive voice, the format is that first we have to write let, so I have written let. Then object is the door, so I have written the door, it is an object. Then be is written in this type of sentences in which order is showing, so be. And then verb third form is compulsory in all the sentences. Verb third form. Okay, let's take another example. Open the book. Book को खोलो, order है. So when we will convert this into passive voice, here open is the verb and the book is the object. So we have to write let the book be opened. Now example 3. Do not ill treat animals. Animals के साथ ill treat मत करो, मतलब कि बुरा व्यवहार मत करो, मतलब उनको परेशान मत करो एनिमल्स को. तो यहाँ पे क्या है, नॉट लगा है, तो देखिए इसको कैसे कन्वर्ट करना है. फॉर्मेट वही है. वी हैव टू राइट लेट इन द ऑर्डर सेंटेंसेस, सो आई हैव रिटन लेट. Then we have to write the object. Here object is animals, so I have written animals. And then here it is not, so I have to write not. And then be is written in this type of sentences, and then verb third form is ill treated. Let animals not be ill treated. in let animals not be ill-treated. There is one more example in which we see in most of the books that do not ill-treat poor. So that type of sentences is also be converted in this format only. Let poor not be ill-treated. Now we will study request of how to convert the active voice of request into the passive voice. Okay, now we will study advice of imperative sentence. How to convert the active voice which is an advice into the passive voice. So the format is that first in the active voice verb is there, then object is there. When we will convert this into passive voice, in we have studied that in order one we will write let, but in this we doesn't write let. In order only we have to write let. Else in none of the passive voice sentence we have to write let. So here we write the object is here, first object comes. Then in this, if it is an advice, then we have to write should, and when it is a suggestion we have to write must. Okay, I didn't tell about suggestion. Suggestion is like advice is that you are something closer to when someone, like you are telling something to your father, mother, then you are nearer to them, so you are giving advice. But when some unknown person asks you that anything, then when you tell him that you have to go right from here and then left, this is a suggestion like you give to an ordinary people. But when someone is closer to you, you give an advice. So if it is a suggestion, then we will write must, and if it is an advice, we should write should. Okay, like we should take an example. Do yoga exercise regularly. Here, like someone is saying to do yoga exercise regularly, तो हम इसको अपने मतलब किसी बहुत ही करीब वाले को ही बोलेंगे. Who is closer to us, we will say to them only. So we are writing should. So it is an advice. This is an example of advice. Okay, this is an example of advice of active voice. Do yoga regularly. So when we will convert this into passive voice, yoga should, because it is an advice, should be. We have to write be in this type of sentences also. Be. I have written here in the format be, and then verb third form, done. Third form of do is done regularly. Yoga should be done regularly. Okay, and this is a suggestion. This is a suggestion. Call the police. Like something is happened and you are saying to any unknown person that call the police. So someone is giving, you are giving a suggestion. Police ko bulao. So we are writing must here. First object will come, the police, and then must, because it is an advice must, and be is written in imperative sentences of advice, and then verb third form is compulsory in all the passive voice. Now we will study request. So now we are going to study request, how to convert the active voice of request into the passive voice. So let us see an example. Please give me a pen. मुझे पेन दे दो, प्लीज मुझे पेन दे दो. रिक्वेस्ट क्या होता है, किसी से कोई रिक्वेस्ट करे, प्लीज कहे, काइंडली मुझे दे दो, रिक्वेस्ट करे. तो यहाँ पे क्या है कि ये बोल रहे हैं कि प्लीज गिव मी अ पेन, प्लीज मुझे पेन दे दो. तो जब हम लोग पैसिव वॉइस बनाते हैं तो एक चीज इसमें हम लोग को याद करना पड़ेगा. वी हैव टू लर्न वन थिंग दैट यू आर रिक्वेस्टेड टू this full line. We have to learn in this that you are requested to, because this is a type of this is request type. So this we have to learn that you are requested to, or I, in some we have to write I was requested to, but this is written that requested to, because this is in third form and requested is in third form. So you are requested to, this we have to learn. Then whatever it is written we have to write. Give me a pen. Give me a pen. Okay, it is very easy. You are requested to give me a pen. Leaving, please. Okay, let take another example. He request me to attend the party. उसने रिक्वेस्ट किया मुझे पार्टी अटेंड करने के लिए. He request me to. So I have told you that we can write you are requested to also, or I was requested to. So I was requested. Here we have a subject. So we are writing by him. We are not writing to. I was requested by him, because here we are getting a subject. Here there is no subject. So we have written you are requested to, and rest we have copied down. But here we are having a subject he. So we are writing I was requested. Now subject is he. So by him we know we have to write by in the passive voice. By him. Then rest we have to copy. To attend the party. To attend the party. I was requested to him. I was requested by him to attend the party. Okay. I should revise once more. Please give me a pen. It is in advice active form. So we have to write you are requested to, or I was requested to. You are requested to. Then whatever is here we have to copy. Give me a pen. And next example, he requested me to attend the party. So here he requested me. Me कह रहा है, इसलिए I is used. So I was requested. By him I am writing here because there is a subject by him, and rest we have to copy to attend me a party. Thank you. Now we are complete with our active passive study.